Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show the refresh rate on your device on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on developer options. If developer option is not shown right here, you can go into about phone, then tap on software information, and then tap on the build number 7 times. After that, you can go back into settings and then tap on developer options. And in here, you want to swipe down and then tap on show refresh rate. So here, tap on show refresh rate switch to turn it on or off. If you tap on the switch to turn it on, it will show the screen refresh rate for the current display right here on the top corner. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.